Welcome to the Springfield-Clark Career Technology Center. My name is Brian Sheward, and I am the welding fabrication instructor. The Welding Lab is challenging yet exciting as students develop skills, practices, and knowledge that will guide them through the remainder of high school and will prepare them for apprenticeships, college, and careers. Throughout the year, we study many aspects of fabrication, including blueprint reading and weld symbol identification. Our thermal cutting processes include oxy-fuel and plasma arc cutting. The welding processes we cover are shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, and flux core arc welding. This is a 2-year program designed to develop welding knowledge and skills. We utilize the Hobart Institute of Welding Technology curriculum along with the Career Connections pre-apprenticeship system. The Welding Program also offers the following certifications: the American Welding Society Sense Level 1 Welding Certificate, OSHA 10, Forklift, and CPR, along with college credit options that are available through the welding coursework. In addition, we embed English into the Welding Lab, where we focus on reading, writing, and researching welding and preparing students with skills for real-life relevant careers, scholarship opportunities, and community service. Our Welding Rodeo has become a staple of this program, and our goal was to collaborate together in order to build knowledge, understanding, and awareness about the growing field of welding and help provide students a quality education and support our local community. Over $5,000 has been donated to Honor Flight of Dayton and our annual Welding Rodeo Scholarship. Thank you for your interest in the welding program, and we look forward to seeing you soon.